You dey see? It dey rain, no. It dey rain, what? But they define the rain. They shout no more SARS. Oh, Nigeria now they hear. That's why revolution go start one day. You see him? I don't they talk about I know they hear that. No more SARS and I don't want to hear. You dey see? I beg me on no fight, me on no fight too. No on no fight. Yeah? You see him? They full back, oh. They full back. And they see as the matter they turn to Matthias case. They say we are lazy youth. Hey. And they see what happened in US happen here. And they see them. You see them? They full everywhere for my back. I know if you come out my phone or under the rain. Somebody say they see them. Somebody say you know they're possible to now they should stop wasting their time. Now I'm not wasting their time. Oh. Now the you know how many squads where I don't meet now? Within this short place, I don't meet up to 4 squad. Different guys. Young guys, men, hardly ones. No more SARS na no one here. No more SARS, you see the matter. You see the matter. No more SARS. No more SARS. And I know they hear. And I say they be lazy you too. Now they see them. And they see as it happen. My people. Nigeria, which way? Which way to go? May we help ourselves. Which way to go? You know, provide job for them. You know, provide food for them. You know, provide light for them. All you provide for them is gun and police. Or make police they shoot them. You provide the little one they get. You say they be bad people. You know, provide food for them. See them. You dey see them. You don't reach where you don't reach when they go listen, you know. You don't reach when government of Nigeria go listen, you know. You don't reach when they go listen, you know. But if I say I not go listen, hey, this matter don't they turn to Matthias. No problem. That's what it be. Oh, na gone, no. Na gone. The thing don't turn to gun thing. Hey, who sent me out today? Who sent me out? Wait, I know the record again, I beg.